Welcome to day 4. I think day 4 in Japan. Today, as I mentioned yesterday, it's gonna be the day of the 100 yen challenge. So the thing is, we have this in Europe. You have this commonly this advent calendar. So between December 1st and 24th, you kind of open like a window every day, and normally you get some kind of small present. Normally it's chocolate. But we did kind of won ourselves last year, I believe. And so what we did at that time was we each got like 50 euro in Vienna, and we went shopping with that to buy like 24 small presents to put into the advent calendar. And we thought we were going to continue that in Japan as well. It's just the thing in Japan, it becomes even easier and cheaper because you have this really amazing 100 yen stores which sell almost everything for like 100 yen plus tax, so it's roughly $1. And we're going to a big store in like a neighboring city to, well, both buy 24 presents for each other. So next stop is going to be the train and then 100 yen stores. So we've made it to the 100 yen store, which is what you can see behind me. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna split up now, and each of us is gonna buy presents for the other to put into their bags in the advent calendar. And the thing is, I obviously can't film what I'm going to buy, and she can't film what she's going to buy. Otherwise, when I edit this video, we would know. So what's gonna happen is over each vlog, at the beginning of each vlog, we're going to open one new calendar. So if you want to see what we actually buy, you're gonna have to watch the next 24 videos. So please do watch the next 24 videos if you want to see. And right now we're gonna start shopping. I'm just gonna show you some general stuff inside the 100 yen store, not specifically what we're going to buy. Excited?
Yay!
And yeah, it's gonna cost us each roughly 4,000 yen, which is $40 maybe. If we're gonna go a bit over our budget and go to the 300 yen store next door as well. But yeah, let's start. How many things did you buy at
16.
16?
Mm-hmm.
I got 18, so yeah, 6 left for me, 8 for her. And yeah,
But I don't know if I put one thing each or...
Oh yeah. Yeah, well, we're gonna go to another 100 yen store a bit later probably. For now, I still haven't bought a winter jacket, as you can see, so we're still on the search for that, and also gonna have lunch before, well, heading out again, either here or back at the station, well, where we live, to go to another 100 yen store or 2. Well, it's still very early. It's still like only 1 p.m. or even before 1 p.m. So still have plenty of time. For now, I hope I can find a winter jacket finally, because it's really cold here. Got it. Midnight. So we got everything, I think.
Yeah.
Did you get everything? So I got everything as well. So today we're gonna go home, and then I'll do a total recall. I think in the first one I spent 2,080, but I also bought 1 or 2 items for myself. And then in the second one I spent 1,200. What about you?
How about 3,000?
3,000. Yeah, so we both spent around 3,000 yen, which is $30 US, 25 euro or something. Which is much more less than last year, because last year you spent $50, 50 euro. No. Yeah, I spent probably maybe 60 or something.
Yeah, you did.
So it's definitely a lot cheaper in Japan. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the calendar when we get home. I'm not gonna show you us putting things in there because I'm gonna see what it is. But as I said, every day it's gonna be opened in the morning. So if you wanna see, at least watch the start of every video. If you wanna see it, at least watch the start of every video, because that's when it's gonna be opened. And I also bought my winter jacket and some some shoes. Yeah, both used, because they have some really great used clothing stores here. And yeah, but right now, let's go home, cook some dinner and everything, and also gonna talk about what we're gonna do tomorrow. It's gonna be fun as well. So unfortunately my mic failed, so I'm just recording this afterwards. Basically what I was saying is that we were putting the presents into the advent calendar, like bags, and we were doing it in separate rooms because we didn't want to see what we put in for each other, to see the opening of the presents every day. And yeah, basically that was it. So back to me. But yeah, every day, if you want to see what we bought at the 100 yen store, you should tune in every day. At the beginning of the video, there's going to be an opening of those bags. And tomorrow we are going to go to Tokyo. Actually, the first time since we've been here, basically, except for passing through. We're gonna go to the western parts of Shinjuku and Shibuya to go see some autumn colors, hopefully, at like Meiji Park and Shinjuku Gyoen Park and Yoyogi Park, and also some other places over there. So yeah, if you want to see some autumn footage, I would recommend checking in tomorrow, and also subscribing if you want to see more vlogs.